Good morning, kids. Welcome to math class. It's me, your Uroosa ma'am. Today we will begin with a new activity. Let's start with me. Kids, this is empty basket. Now I am putting vegetables in it. 1, count with me. 2, 3, 4. Let's add 2 more vegetables into it. 1, 2. Let's count them all together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 4 and 2 make together 6 now. So this is called addition. Addition means to put things together. Now today's topic is addition. Addition means to put things together. Okay? And now this is the sign of addition. Plus. Plus stands for addition. Look here, kids. How many balls are there? Count with me. 1, 2, 3. 3 balls are there. Which sign is this? Addition. How many balls are there? 2 balls. Count with me. 1, 2. I put addition sign. I write here 2. Now 3 and 2 makes, what is the answer? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 3 and 2 together makes 5. Hope you understand the concept of addition. Bye.